Deep beneath nearly 500 meters of Antarctic ice, where sunlight has never reached, life still exists. These tiny creatures have survived in total darkness for thousands of years. While the surface may appear to be nothing more than a barren, ice-covered continent, an entirely different world lies hidden beneath the ice. There, one finds vast lakes, rivers flowing under the ice, and active volcanoes, all encased within the Earth's largest freshwater reservoir. Now, the world's most powerful nations are showing renewed interest in Antarctica. China is constructing new research stations, while Russia is conducting subsurface surveys. This is because, under a 1959 international treaty, mineral extraction in Antarctica was strictly prohibited. However, that rule may change in 2048. Whoever maintains the strongest presence there could well hold the power. Is there truly something hidden beneath the Antarctic ice that has sparked a silent race? And what exactly have scientists discovered there? From above, Antarctica appears to be merely a desolate, ice-clad continent. In reality, however, it is one of the most mysterious and valuable places on Earth. Approximately 70% of the planet's total freshwater is locked within the ice here. In some areas, the ice is thick enough to bury the entire Alps. It is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth, with temperatures capable of plummeting to minus 90 degrees Celsius. During winter, sunlight fails to reach many areas for months on end. Yet, life persists here, not only in the surrounding oceans but deep within the ice itself. To scientists, Antarctica is like a vast ice library, where air from bygone eras remains trapped within successive layers of ice accumulated over millennia. The ice cores extracted from these depths hold data about the Earth from hundreds of thousands of years ago, preserving records of carbon dioxide levels, volcanic ash, and even the history of global temperatures. But that is not all. In some parts of Antarctica, strong winds sweep away the snow, revealing a remarkable sight: vast expanses of blue ice. This blue ice was once ordinary snow. Over thousands of years, the pressure caused the air trapped within it to be squeezed out. When no new snow accumulated on top, sunlight penetrated deep into the ice, absorbing the red and yellow wavelengths and causing the ice to glow with a brilliant blue hue. In certain areas of Antarctica, this blue ice dates back hundreds of thousands of years. Conversely, in other regions, the exact opposite occurs. New layers of snow accumulate year after year, gradually burying everything beneath them. Antarctica is home to Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano on Earth. Its hot gases have carved out massive caves within the ice, where scientists have discovered algae, moss, and unique DNA sequences never seen before. Beneath this ice lie not only the mysteries of life, but also traces of the past. In 1979, an Air New Zealand flight crashed into Mount Erebus, claiming the lives of all 257 people on board. Heavy snowfall and shifting ice gradually covered much of the wreckage, and it is believed that some parts of the debris remain buried beneath the ice today. The deeper one explores, the clearer it becomes that Antarctica is not merely a continent of ice. Beneath the surface lie heat, history, and mysteries that remain unknown to the rest of the world. Many people believe that Antarctic ice is melting rapidly, but the reality is more complex. While the ice in West Antarctica is diminishing quickly, with glaciers breaking off and moving toward the ocean, ice accumulation continues in some parts of East Antarctica. Nevertheless, satellite data indicates that overall, Antarctica has been steadily losing ice for several decades. Perhaps the greatest mystery of Antarctica is that the continent does not behave uniformly. In some places, the ice is melting rapidly, while in others, it continues to accumulate. To understand the true cause of this change, scientists are having to delve deeper. More than a kilometer beneath the ice, the heat is intense enough for water to flow between the ice and the bedrock. Beneath Antarctica lie thousands of interconnected hidden rivers and lakes. Some of these lakes hold such vast quantities of water that they rival massive reservoirs. When this water is released, billions of liters can spread beneath the ice in just a matter of days. Remarkably, humans have managed to access only a tiny fraction of this hidden realm. The total area beneath the ice that humans have directly reached is roughly equivalent to the size of a basketball court. Consequently, scientists are now using helicopters equipped with specialized sensors to scan this subglacial world. Yet at times, Antarctica reveals its inner secrets. The most famous example of this is blood falls. Dark red water flowing from the Taylor Glacier creates the appearance of blood seeping from the ice. Initially, scientists suspected the presence of algae, but it was later discovered that the water originates from deep within the ice. The iron content within it reacts with oxygen to produce a red color. This phenomenon demonstrates that beneath the Antarctic ice lies not just water, but a reservoir of mineral nutrients and a vast cycle of biodiversity. This nutrient-rich water flows from beneath the ice into the ocean, sustaining tiny organisms. It is upon this food chain that the blue whale, the largest animal on Earth and a special visitor to Antarctica, depends for survival. Humans once nearly drove these creatures to extinction. Hundreds of thousands were hunted in Antarctic waters alone, causing their population to plummet by approximately 97%. Although they are slowly making a comeback, scientists still do not fully understand how these massive animals survive in our rapidly changing world. Researchers have yet to fully grasp exactly where blue whales breed, how they traverse thousands of kilometers, or what they require to survive in an ocean undergoing rapid transformation. Conducting research on such massive creatures in a remote location like Antarctica is incredibly challenging. Yet, the true mystery of Antarctica lies even deeper beneath the ice. Situated in total darkness, nearly 3.5 kilometers down, is Lake Vostok, one of the world's largest hidden lakes. Stretching approximately 240 kilometers in length, this lake has remained completely sealed beneath the ice for millions of years, untouched by sunlight. There are over 700 such hidden lakes in Antarctica, and wherever scientists have managed to sample them, they have discovered signs of life. In some places, microorganisms survive by harnessing the chemical energy of rocks, while in others, evidence of life has been found in the subglacial mud. The strange creatures mentioned at the beginning of this video were also discovered in total darkness, hundreds of kilometers away from any sunlight. In essence, a world exists beneath the Antarctic ice where the rules of life differ vastly from those of the world we know. This is why scientists believe Antarctica bears a striking resemblance to other ice-covered worlds within our solar system. Consider Jupiter's moon, Europa, or Saturn's moon Enceladus. Vast oceans lie hidden beneath their icy shells. If life can survive beneath kilometers of Antarctic ice, the possibility of similar life existing beyond Earth cannot be ruled out. Antarctica does not harbor aliens itself. Rather, it offers a glimpse into the kind of environments where alien life might thrive. Furthermore, the deeper one explores, the more it becomes evident that beneath the ice lies not just cold, but intense heat. Dozens of volcanoes lie hidden beneath West Antarctica, some of which remain active. Due to the immense pressure of the overlying ice, they do not erupt like typical volcanoes. Instead, heat accumulates beneath, melting the ice and weakening the glaciers. Scientists have even detected the signatures of these volcanoes within the ice layers, proving they have been active for millennia. Yet, the true revelation lies in the continent beneath the ice. When scientists used modern technology to digitally strip away the ice, a completely different world was unveiled, featuring massive mountain ranges, deep valleys, and one of the world's deepest canyons. Tens of millions of years ago, this region boasted rivers, forests, and a warm climate. Fossils found in the rock strata confirm that Antarctica was once a lush, green land. This history explains why powerful nations are currently vying to strengthen their positions in Antarctica. Scientists believe that vast reserves of oil, gas, coal, and precious minerals, potentially worth trillions of dollars, may lie hidden beneath the ice. While mineral extraction is currently prohibited under the 1959 Antarctic Treaty, that agreement is subject to review in 2048, sparking a silent race among nations. Russia has already conducted various subsurface surveys. China is rapidly constructing new research stations, and other global powers are steadily expanding their presence. Ultimately, Antarctica is not merely a continent of ice. It is a complex system where ice, water, heat, oceans, and ecosystems are inextricably linked. However, it took millions of years for this balance to form, yet it would not take long for it to be disrupted. The question now arises, if the protection currently shielding Antarctica were to be removed in the future, could a new conflict erupt among the world's major powers? And in your opinion, is this mystery hidden beneath the ice merely a scientific discovery, or could it be a pivotal turning point for future global politics? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next episode. Thank you.